many things, but right now you are stuck. So ये बहुतों की प्रॉब्लम है और बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि नहीं समझ में आता है कि मतलब क्या करना है नहीं करना है. Hello human, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are well, and this is my first Q&A video. जिनको नहीं पता कि Q&A क्या है, Q&A is like question and answer. I have posted around 2 to 3 weeks ago that if you want to ask me any question, just feel free to ask related to me, life and something else, and I will answer this. And today I'm just replying to the answer and I'm very excited. I thought the questions which are going to come will be like funny, related to me or something. Believe me, I have not expected this type of questions. This video is late, quite late. I have to post it early, but the reason it is late because I really want to shoot the video at morning, like it's 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning, and the time which I'm shooting this video is around 5:30 a.m. and there is little redness in the sky. The sun is just about to rise and it's looking very beautiful. I have not expected that in my first Q&A. I have never thought that I will get these type of questions in my first Q&A. The questions are so deep, so thinkable, and when I saw the questions, that moment I realized that I have to shoot this video at morning. I don't know, because morning is maybe very less distraction time, manifestation time, strong power time, maybe, I don't know, but this video is late just because I was not able to wake up in the morning. I thought I will shoot this in the morning, and yes, so I'm ready and I hope you all are ready too. So just let's begin. Before starting, I just want you to clear that these are my opinion on the questions, and I really tried my best. I really tried my best to answer this with my level of understanding and experience. And if you feel that I am not saying it right, or if you have any other perspective of the answer, please feel free to comment down. I'm all ears, I'm ready to listen, and I'm very much eager to know your perspective too. So yeah, let's start. So I have written it in diary, all the questions. First question is one single life advice. So according to me, one single life advice would be खाओ पियो ऐश करो मित्रों मित्रों. Living apart. My life advice would be just be human. Like let kindness, empathy strive in you, and always listen to your heart. It knows the way. Like recently I have finished Alchemist, and the moral of the story is that your heart is always there to tell you what you have to do. Just you have to pause and just you have to listen to it. I have read it somewhere, like the world need more people who feel, not just exist. So this align that you have to listen to your heart, and you should listen to your heart. How can someone know what is their true potential? According to me, knowing your true potential is a very gradual process. Like it doesn't come in just one day. It will take days, it will take months, it will take years. There is a quote written by Viktor Frankl in a very famous book called A Man's Search for Meaning. He wrote that when we are not when we are not longer able to change our situation, then we are challenged to change ourselves. That's where our true strength and potential lie. Means our true potential will get discovered when we decide to grow and when we are ready to trust our journey. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि true potential जानने के लिए आपको अपने पे काम करना पड़ेगा. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to challenge yourself, and I also read somewhere that अगर आप जब आप कोई नया काम करने जा रहे हो तो एक डर होता है दिमाग में, तो आपको अपने दिमाग को वो ट्रेन करना है कि दैट फियर इज नॉट बिकॉज आई कांट डू इट, दैट फियर is because I am doing a new thing. So that's all. So you have to just work on yourself. You have to inbuild good habits. You have to listen to your heart. Again, the first questions answers. And true potential is something that you feel, that it is hidden in the things that make you feel most alive. The third question is, what is important, career, family, or love? The most difficult question of the series, I guess. करियर जरूरी है, फैमिली भी जरूरी है, लव वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. करियर, फैमिली एंड लव तीनों बहुत जरूरी है. बस आपको ये समझना होगा कि किस वक्त किस चीज को कितनी जगह देनी है. लाइक हर किसी के लाइफ में अलग फेज होता है, अलग जरूरत होती है, और किसी वक्त करियर पे फोकस करना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, तो किसी वक्त फैमिली पे, और किसी वक्त रिलेशनशिप पे. मेरे ख्याल से बैलेंस बनाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. आपको खुद में इतना क्लियर होना चाहिए कि अगर आप एक वक्त किसी एक चीज को सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हो तो वो दूसरे के लिए वर्थ है कि नहीं. तो my opinion is that you should be able to make balance and differentiate that at what phase of life what you have to choose. Fourth question is, what you judge about human. So first, judging a human, मतलब not like that कि judging a human is wrong. I think everyone has their own capabilities, own abilities. Everyone is very different in their shades. I judge a human by their listening skills. मतलब I want to be a listener, and I really like the person who really listens. मतलब means they are actually paying attention to the talk, to the conversation, or they are just waiting for their turn to come and they will talk like that. So the person who listens are question, whose life is hard, girl or boy? The most debatable question. मतलब इस पे अगर सदियों तक भी चर्चा हो तो ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब नहीं मिलेगा. बट मेरे ख्याल से मतलब क्या होता है ना, जैसे लड़के और लड़कियां प्रकृति के दो रंग हैं जिनके शरीर और इमोशंस भी अलग तरीके से बने हैं. लाइक जैसे पेड़ और फूल. फूल बहुत खूबसूरत होता है, नाजुक होता है, और पेड़ वहीं पे स्थिर और मजबूत होता है. बट दोनों की अपनी अहमियत और खूबी होती है. ठीक है. तो लड़कियों का जो शरीर है, जो उनका दिमाग है, वो इमोशनल बनाया गया है. वो मुझे लगता है नर्चर करने के लिए, रिश्तों को संभालने में मदद करता है. और लड़कों का जो क्योंकि उनका फिजिक ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है, तो दे आर मोर काइंड ऑफ मतलब दे आर इजी फॉर टीडियस वर्क. तो लड़कियों को अपनी आज़ादी, अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. और लड़के भी हर रोज़ अपने परिवार की जिम्मेदारी, फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर और इमोशनल एक्सपेक्टेशन के तले दबे होते हैं. मतलब और जिसको बाहर से समझना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो मुश्किलें दोनों की हैं, बस तरीके अलग हैं. मतलब हम तो ये कहना कि इसकी मुश्किल ज़्यादा या उसकी मुश्किल कम है, नहीं, दोनों की मुश्किलें हैं. एंड आई थिंक दोनों देखा जाए तो दोनों इक्वल लेवल पे हैं. आई कैन नॉट गो इन वन फेवर कि इसकी लाइफ ज़्यादा हार्ड है या उसकी लाइफ. दोनों के अपने पैरामीटर्स हैं और दोनों की मुश्किलें अलग हैं. हमें एक दूसरे की मुश्किलों को समझना चाहिए और एक दूसरे का साथ देना चाहिए, ताकि तब जाके ये सफ़र आसान होगा और खूबसूरत होगा. The next question is, how should we deal when you know that you are capable of so many things but right now you are stuck? So ये बहुतों की प्रॉब्लम है, और बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि नहीं समझ में आता है कि मतलब क्या करना है, नहीं करना है. So I have read some lines, मतलब I have written some lines and I think it will answer you. So if you are lost, then find what really attracts you. And if you know what attracts you, then find how to get educated in that. And if you are educated, then find how to start execution. And if you are already executing, then be persistent. And if you are persistent and not able to see results, then start experimenting. Basically, you already know what to do, you are not just doing it. तो मुझे लगता है कि जब आप स्टक हो तो यू शुड पॉज, यू शुड थिंक कि क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है, क्या किया जा सकता है, एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सीरीज, एंड माय गॉड, मतलब दिस इज द मोस्ट, मुझे पहले तो ये क्वेश्चन समझने में इतना टाइम लग गया कि ये बोलना क्या चाह रहा है, और बहुत पूछने मतलब समझने के बाद आई ट्राइड टू my best to answer it. So the next question is, what is the difference between greater good or had enough? So first let me differentiate the term what is greater good and what is had enough. So greater good matlab means you are doing something for a purpose and enduring pain because the outcome because the outcome which is going to come, you feel it is worth it. Had enough means reaching a break point where my body, my mind, my heart says I can't do this anymore. It is a time where our health and emotions and joy start to suffer, and even success come, it would not be satisfying anymore. I think this is the meaning of the term. In simple words, if I say, so greater good means effort hurts but it feel meaningful, and had enough means that effort hurts but it is meaningless or damaging. Think that if you are giving everything to your dream but you feel completely drained, so it's a clear sign, it's a very clear sign that you have to pause, not to quit but to breathe. According to me, a dream should uplift you, not erase you. And when your peace, joy, and your health start to suffer, it's a time to take care of the dreamer. And really believe me, success will mean nothing if you're too broken to enjoy it. So just step back, refill your soul, and return with balance, because your dream needs you whole and alive, not exhausted. So the video ends here, and I hope you have got all the answers of the questions. And if you have any other question, please comment me down, and have a good health. Take care. Tata. Bye bye. And please free ask